3 cinematic sound effects for your next video. Cinematic sub-bass drops. Deep, sudden bass drops that add a sense of finality and impact. Cinematic enigmatic piano tones. Mysterious, questioning piano notes with enigmatic reverb that create an aura of intrigue. Cinematic clock ticks. Steady ticking sounds that convey the passage of time and urgency. Ideal for building suspense, highlighting time-sensitive scenarios, or creating a rhythmic background. We've helped over 20,000 video editors on YouTube elevate their sound design skills. Now it's your turn. Get your free sound effects pack today. Click the link to download yours.